Guys, welcome to our channel 10 minutes code, and today we are going to solve the 7th problem of our Leetcode, which is reverse integer, and this is medium level problem. Okay, so the question is, we have been given a signed 32-bit integer x and we have to return x with its digits reversed. If reverse string x causes the value to go outside the signed 32-bit integer range, then we have to return 0. So suppose our system is, just you have to imagine a system is a 32-bit system. Okay, so we can store only 32-bit numbers. So what we are going to do, the 32-bit integer will be given as the input and we have to reverse that. Okay, so after reversal, if the answer is more than 32-bit integer, so what we have to do, we have to return 0. Okay, or else we have to return the reversal digit. Suppose this is 1 to 3 and we have to return the 3 to 1 as reverse. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to create a result as empty string, and now we are going to create while x. It will work until x. Okay, it will work until x is there. Okay, which means x is a number, so it will look through x. Okay, so what we until while x means x should be not equal to 0, till then the loop will run. Okay, so suppose if r is greater than int max, so int max is more than 32-bit integer, so what we are going to do is we are going to divide by 10. So we are going to check if int max divided by 10 is more than r, or r is less than int min divided by 10. So this is going to check whether our integer value is bigger than 32-bit integer or not. So okay, so then if it's bigger, then we have to return 0. So int max is just a 64-bit integer. Okay, so we can't store that, so we are going to divide by 10. So and we are going to check if r, because we have, why we are dividing by 10, it will remove the pop the last element of this value. Okay, and then we get the result. So if r is bigger than or less than int minimum or int max divided by 10, so then we are going to return 0. Okay, or we are going to 10 divided by r. This is the step to reverse a digit. So 10 into r, 10 means 0. Suppose r is 0, so 0 into 10, 0 plus the remainder. So how to get remainder? So we have to do x modulo 10. Fine, this is how we get a remainder, and then we have to divide by x divided by 10. This is how, this is for reversing a digit, and this is if it's more than or less than 32-bit integer. Okay, so suppose if int minimum is also 64-bit integer but with minus value. Okay, with minus value, so this is also 64-bit and this is also 64-bit, and if it's not 64-bit, then we are going to return 0, and else we are going to return the reverse digit. So return reverse. Okay, let's check it out. So there's a problem. Okay, so it will be string, I think so. No. Just a minute. Sorry, I have to do here 0. Okay, fine. Let's check it out. So we can see we have beat 100% of user with runtime and 75.71% with memory. Let me revise the code. So we are creating a result with 0. Okay, and this will work until x becomes 0. So he's going to check if it's 32-bit. How we are going to check? If int min divided by 10 or int max divided by 10, it values lies between these two values, then that's a 32-bit. And if it's more than or less than these two values, then it's 64-bit, and then we are going to return 0, or else we are reversing the digit and then we are returning r. Okay, that's all. This was a small problem. So for more Leetcode problems, web development and machine learning, you can subscribe at 10 minutes. So thank you.